Open the gate. Come here. Ask Papa. What's that? Now give it to me. Anything with pizza? Salamat sa pizza. Grabe talaga. Packing nut? Ice cream.
The baby bird. The baby bird daw yan.
It's a baby bird.
Don't eat the baby bird. Why? Yan ko nga eh.
Yung mga bata, teka lang. Ayos, ano, checking din.
Sa baby. Ken, ano ba? Si Don kinaig eh.
The baby bird is quacking.
Why? Why no more light? It's open.
No. Oh.
Close. I see.
Okay. Okay, pasok sa loob.
Again. Go inside.
We're ready for the zombie
No.
apocalypse right now.
Say hello, Daddy.
This weekend we can survive.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy, eating pizza. Eating pizza first. Try if you yeah. What's that? You wanna go inside? You watching TV? Hold on. I go in the kitchen. Daddy, I'll make you drinks na. That's it.
Mommy, you take your pizza?
Okay, talk to him. Stay there. You want a pizza? Take one. Ask Daddy.
Bakit?
Can I have one, Daddy?
Bakit? 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 Ha?
You ask na lang. You ask one. Ayan na. Okay na. Hold on. Say what you say. What you say? Thank you.
I want a pizza.
Oh, you ask na lang, Daddy, one piece.
I want a pizza.
Oh, go there inside. Hindi buwan, Daddy. Okay na. Okay na. Go. Go na. No more. Small only. Only no more na. Uy, wala na. Dadalawang piraso na lang.
Ano ba mo?
Damit?
Kaya ako.
Gawin mo kay Jaja. Ayan na, sinasabi ko na. Dadalawang piraso na lang.
Okay, baby. Pati natin